yoga lesson, one of the most important things in the practice of yoga and Ayurveda is the practice of Pratyahara, which is withdrawal of the senses. I was actually talking to a student about this the other day, and one thing that I learned from many Ayurvedic doctors over the past decade, one of the best medicines that we can give ourselves is Pratyahara through nature, withdrawing from our senses through nature. So good for you. So good for you to cleanse your senses by being outside. We're so overstimulated by technology and the constant hustle and bustle of our busy lives. Not that I don't love being busy, of course I love being busy. And you guys know I love technology. But it's so important to go outside, cleanse your senses.